First, soak the chicken in 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon flour, and water for 15 minutes. Rinse it well and drain it. Then add salsa sauce, 2 chicken bouillon cubes, and lemon pepper seasoning. Rub everything in really well and let it marinate overnight in the fridge. If you're in a hurry, 2 hours is enough. Now choose your cooking method. If you're in a rush, cook the chicken in a pressure cooker for 20 minutes, then transfer it to a baking tray and broil until golden. If you're using the oven only, place it in a tray and cover with foil. Bake for 45 minutes, remove the foil, bake for another 10 minutes, then broil until golden. Serve with white rice or fried potatoes and yogurt salad or green salad. Try it, save the recipe, and tell me what you think.